Here are the top 3 KDP books you can make with ChatGPT. So let's go to chat.openai.com and ask the chat to give us 10 word search clues and answers about animals. So here we go. As you can see, ChatGPT gave me 10 different word search clues with the answers, and they are all about animals. So this one, for example, animal known for its trunk, animal that can fly, and so on. So as you can see, these examples here looks like they are for children, I guess. So this is a chat you can ask and the chat will reply and so on. So maybe because the topic about the animals is more common for kids. However, we can ask the chat to give me another 10, but this time for adults. And here we go. As you can see, it gave me 10, but not in the same niche, which are in different niche, for example, Twitter, Apple, Starbucks. So it's more about, I think, marks. It's more about brands and companies. So it's more common with adults. So it really depends on your targeted audience. Are you targeting with your word search book adults or kids? So you can ask for more, you can ask for more details, you can ask for harder, you can ask for easier, and so on. The second niche is about motivational prompts, and I'm gonna ask the chat to give me 10 motivational gym prompts. And here we go, 10 different motivational quotes for gym specifically, and you can go with any niche, whether it was gym or another one. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Anyway, so I think this is going to save you many hours or a couple of dollars, because these normally need a long brainstorming and thinking to get them. And here we go, we can ask for more, we can ask for longer, for shorter, and so on. So here I asked the chat to give me 10 more, and here we go. The chat GPT will not reject any request from me, and remember that your limit is just until per year. So here, as you can see, many different books around this niche, and you can even include these prompts in a workout logbook, so you can add them as quotes at the end or after each exercise to keep the energy and keep the person motivated. So yeah, worth checking. Now let's add a new chat and ask the chat to give me a vegan meal that is under 800 calories with instructions. And as you can see, the AI gave me a meal in details, ingredients in details, how many cups, how many, and with the instructions as well. So look at all the details, and this recipe was only 775 calories. So this can be used for a meal planner, for example, like this, or for a recipe book like these out here, or even a cooking book. So it's not limited for one title. You can find many different niches related to every one of the 3 niches that I gave you in this video. So smash the like button. If you like this one, tell me and I can give you even more niches.